Is your roof at the end of its life? If so, like most homeowners, you have many questions that are running through your head right now. So we here at Albana Roofing understand that getting your roof replaced, or any home remodeling project for that matter, can be a scary and intimidating process. We've helped over 10,000 customers just like you through that process. And that's why we've developed our top-notch communication system using our Customer Connect portal and drone technology to keep you up to date with your project from start to finish. So take the worry out of replacing your roof or any other home remodeling project by calling 203-759-1791 and get your quote today. Albana Roofing, industry-leading quality, family-owned care.